Hello everyone. Came up with a new product. A couple of customers asked me for a way to mount tweeters on the dashboard. So just like a little 1-inch tweeter I have here. I came up with this. It utilizes the factory defroster for the vent windows, and it's got a little bucket to put the tweeter in, and the vanes are angled this way to shoot the air over to still defrost the window. And this is the little elbow. This one's really dirty inside. I'm going to clean this stuff out. This is a little stock elbow that sticks up through your dashboard. I just want to show you. This goes right on there. Nice and tight, nice and snug, just like the factory one was. The factory piece was super intricate. I don't know. Hans really got paid a lot to design the sucker. I don't really understand why they made it so intricate, but there you go. There's that. Mine's super easy. It's just comes through. And this will snap right into your dashboard, of course, just like all my products do. Fit and finish will be great. I'm going to show you how to snap into the dashboard now. It's been kind of cold here in Buffalo. It's 23 degrees out right now, so the garage is a little chilly, but here you go. Just put that in there. I'm trying to do this one-handed as well, so cut me a little bit of slack. Snap. It's pretty snug in there, and that's gonna hopefully sound pretty good. We'll see. Okay, so that was the TweeterPod that I just came up with, and I just want to show you all of the supervisors on duty here. Hi, Sputnik. Hey, buddy. There you go. Have a good day.